Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nako. Today let's talk about...
Cough doesn't always come from the lungs. Most parents think a cough means bronchitis, but more than half of pediatric cough cases don't come from the lungs at all. Postnasal drip, pharyngeal irritation, enlarged adenoids, asthma-like airway hyperreactivity, and even reflux can trigger the cough reflex without any lung infection. This is why normal oxygenation, no fever, and clear lung auscultation strongly argue against pneumonia, and antibiotics don't help in these cases.
Thank you for watching.
For more evidence-based medical insights, subscribe to the channel.